Hey, what's up guys? I'm Kevin Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a typical Cantonese style pan-fried shrimp with garlic. But today, I'm going to use 3 different types of garlic. That is garlic powder, and fresh garlic, and crispy fried garlic. And along the way, I'm going to explain to you the reason behind why I'm doing that. So, let's get started. Let's begin with the shrimp. After purchasing them from the market, I clean them thoroughly with water and then remove the head. Since I want to devein the shrimp, but I still want to keep the shell intact, so I'm going to use a method by using a toothpick. Insert a toothpick in between 2 sections of the shell over here. And then pull it up gently. Can you see it? Then hold it and then gently pull the vein out from the shrimp. I'll do another one. Insert it in between 2 sections and then pull it out gently. Try not to break it. Slowly. Yeah, can you see? Then just pull it away. Yes. Yeah. Alternatively, if you can find the digestion tract protruded out over here after removing the head, you can pull it out this way. Just hold it and pull the shrimp away from you. Yes, here it goes. Then I use scissors to trim off the legs. And part of the tail to make it more appealing. Also use a scissor to cut open the shell on the back of the shrimp. That helps the seasoning from sticking onto the shrimp meat. After that, I wash the shrimp again and then transfer the shrimp to a colander to drain away the excess water. And then put it onto a paper towel or dry cloth to remove as much water as possible. Since I'm going to pan fry it, I'm trying to reduce the splattering as much as possible. We have just finished preparing the shrimp. Let's move on to the seasonings. So I'm going to use multiple forms of garlic for this recipe. The first one is the chopped garlic, fresh chopped garlic, which I'm going to saute it until aromatic, and that's going to give the base flavor. But I also want to add some fried garlic, which is crispy and has more flavor, that will accentuate the overall taste profile. And lastly, garlic powder to season the shrimp before pan frying. You can also use garlic salt, and in that case, you need to reduce the amount of salt in the recipe. And lastly, some ground white pepper. Season the shrimp with garlic powder and salt. Also some cornstarch that helps to make it crispy. Mix it well and then set it aside. Let's pan fry the shrimp. Heat a flat bottom pan and add some oil in it. Add the shrimp single layer. Pan fry the shrimp over medium heat. When it starts to change color, turn them over one by one. And then pan fry the other side. When both sides has turned color, remove the shrimp from the pan. And then continue frying the next batch of the shrimp. Now use the oil that I pan fried the shrimp just now, which is full of flavor, to saute the garlic. When the garlic turns aromatic, about half a minute, now return the cooked shrimp back to the pan and mix together with the garlic. Lastly, add some ground white pepper . And now we can turn off the heat and add the final ingredient, that is the crispy fried garlic. Plate and garnish with more garlic bits, some crispy garlic, plus some green onion to serve. That's how you prepare the pan-fried garlic shrimp Chinese style, and I hope you will love it. And you notice that I have used 3 different types of garlic, like garlic powder, fresh garlic sauté until fragrance, and the crispy fried garlic. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included it in the description below the video. Please subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video. Bye for now.